field trainer as well. Thank you for the reminder, Ed. I'm also a field trainer, and I work on the council, the Small Business Council as well. So, and a certified trainer as well.
So I'm Johnny Jones. I've been here for 17 years. What I love about this is that I'm an introvert, and as an introvert, I struggle with dealing with people in social settings. That's what introverts do. So it becomes uncomfortable to have to make those calls. And what I love about this that Melissa Peters had the foresight to do is she put us in a situation where we can get coaching as we're doing it. So sometimes when I was making calls, it would just be me. So I would look in the mirror and I would say, "Hey, what are you doing?" "I don't know," and I would just had to try to figure it out. Like, it was painful. But now, because of something like this, it gives me the ability to be here. What I love is that people have their cameras on, so I can see people doing it. So on those days where I'm struggling with being an introvert, I can look up and see Gail, or I can see Janice, or I can see somebody making a call, and it actually empowers me to make calls. And so I love the what they put in place for this, and I just look forward to doing this week after week. And so it is just smiling and dialing. And the one thing we do is